So we have not launched the app. What we have done is there is an existing app called Philo. We have partnered up with that company. We have asked Philo to create content specifically meant for those students who are looking for government jobs, who are preparing for government jobs or competitive examinations. So during the coachings that we provided to the students for DSC examination, we realized that there is no coaching over here existing. Simultaneously, the students are poor in reasoning, they are poor in mathematics, English they do very well, GK they do well, but because of being poor in mathematics and reasoning, they are not able to qualify or compete for national examinations like SSC, like railways, like banking, like etc. So we have partnered up with this organization. We have created this entire content which will have adequate, which will have live classes on all these subjects: reasoning, mathematics, English, and everything, including GK, computer, and other things. And these classes will be available to students through that app itself. And I myself use the app. It does not consume much data also. And if the students are not able to attend these live classes, these classes will be uploaded on the portal itself, on the app itself, and they can listen to them. They can attend these classes whenever they want. And after every class, there will be a quiz also. So whatever you have learned in the class, that you can test through the quiz. Apart from that, there are many other features like for example, there will be test series for every student. They can access almost 10,000 questions, and these 10,000 questions are organized into different types of test series which are modeled on railways examinations, SSC examinations, banking examinations, etc. And they can test how do they fare in these examinations. Secondly, there will be, based on the quizzes and the competitive and on the test series, they will get personalized feedback. For example, the app itself will tell the student that you are doing good in English, you are doing good in mathematics, but your reasoning is not that good, and you should improve your reasoning. You should improve these chapters in your reasoning. So the students will know that they should go and revisit those videos. Simultaneously, there will be option to clear doubts, that if any child gets any doubt, they can immediately ask any teacher, and within 30 seconds the app itself will give the answer, and the teacher will clear all the doubts. So we have secured funding from Niti Aayog. The usual app charge is rupees 500 per month for any normal student. But for Ribhoi, what we have decided is we are going to fund rupees 400 per month from district administration side, and rupees 100 will have to be borne by the student. Why we are charging rupees 100 to the student is because we feel that if they will pay, they will be sincere also in attending the classes. What we are doing is anyone who is class 12th pass and is still eligible for competitive examinations or government jobs, for example, DSC's age limit is 37. So somebody who is even up to the age of 37, they can apply, and they can easily register themselves. And once the app is formally launched in Riboi, once the scheme is formally launched in Riboi, we'll register them automatically. So we have circulated one link, we have circulated a poster. We request all the youths who are looking for government jobs, who are preparing for it, that this is a golden opportunity. This kind of online structured coaching along with test series and all is available to them for the first time at a very, very reasonable rate, and that they should take advantage of the same. We have secured funding for 7,000 youths of Ribhoi, and we want to ensure that anyone who is looking for government job should enroll and should get the help.